So do I still love the Cayenne. Picked it up just over a month ago. Colours Algarve Blue Metallic. Added the Porsche stripes to it as a factory option. Sport Techno wheels, rear axle steer, and the upgraded suspension. The tech is brilliant. Screen's really responsive. Google Maps and Apple Maps works perfectly through the heads-up display as well. Having a charging port on both sides is really useful. Obviously only one's DC. Get a lot of people saying how much they like the look of the car, and still haven't seen that many around. Rear axle steer makes it feel a lot smaller than it actually is, and it is a big car. Nighttime it looks fantastic. Heads-up display is great, and the adaptive cruise control that recognises speed limits is working perfectly. 0 to 60 is absolutely mad and great fun on launch control. The aeros come out about 70 miles an hour. Great looking car, great fun. Absolutely love it. Much prefer driving it to the old Macan GTS EV that we had. It's so much more comfortable.